Okay, hello guys, good evening from here. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. So I want to give you guys a breakdown analysis that I posted on Facebook. So if you have not watched the video on Facebook, you can go to my Facebook page and then you watch the video. But then I will also repeat what I said on the Facebook page right here. So I have been expecting a bullish structure on my Facebook page, and I have been lamenting about that for a long time, since the beginning of this month. So let's go and look for that. Okay, so first of all, I made a video on my directional bias on EURUSD, and when you come to my Facebook page, you click on this, you can actually see right here. That was posted on when? October 16, and I was expecting a bullish structure on EURUSD. You can actually see where the price is when I made the video and uploaded on my Facebook page. And before that, I have been lamenting all this while of buying euro and seeing a decline on the dollar index. And let me just quickly look for that, and yeah, we'll talk about it. Alright, so this was the first video. Is this it? Alright, this is 4 days ago. No, let's keep scrolling. I posted it a long time ago. Okay, now this is October 16, and this is it, October 16 right here, where I was looking for the bullish structure. But before that, I was actually looking for bullish structure right here before. Okay, this is it, and you actually see where the price is when I was trying to look for bullish structure right here. Okay, so that was on the 10th of October that I've been looking for a bullish structure on EURUSD. So let's quickly go to the chart and I will explain everything for you guys. Now, in the video I posted on the Facebook page, and the video I posted on the Facebook page, you can watch the video, and yeah, that is it. So I will quickly explain that right now on EURUSD, and I will go to 8 cap, where I had my markings of the directional bias right here. And I don't want to take off this chart, so let me quickly run to another broker. Yeah, so now let me use the pepper stone. Okay, so I'll move my drawings. Now I have already talked about the avoiding daily range on my chart on YouTube and also on the mentorship. So analyzing the market, you are to first of all go to your higher time frame and you analyze the market. Check what trend is the market. All right, so in this case we can see that the market is ranging, and what we actually noticed was that EURUSD hunted previous month's low right here. All right, so we had a hunt on previous month low, and if you can remember on my EURUSD my Facebook page, I said since October low has been protected and price is refusing to go below that low, then I'm expecting EURUSD to be strong, and looking for a bullish structure, and I'll be targeting this high right here. And also we'll be dropping the update on BTC that I posted on my Facebook page. You can actually see the where BTC is right now. Yeah, what I posted on my Facebook YouTube channel. So if you could actually go to YouTube channel, you go to my videos, and you will actually see where I talked about the bullish structure on EURUSD, and it is based on the topic known as one important core content you need in trading. That is all you need. All right, so you can actually see it's very hard for me to actually use structure stuff like that. There are some cases where price range and you are looking for your algorithm range. So that is a topic for another day. Is specifically made for mentorship. All right, so but I will give you guys a brief clarity to that. So right here I noticed this right here on EURUSD in the month of October, and the next thing I did was applying the quarterly shift. So the quarterly shift is used to explain the daily range in, you know, quarterly shift when we talk about quarterly shift. Yeah, so I'm now saying that we are marking out previous 3 months daily range or previous 4 months candles. All right, so we are now looking at that. So I marked it right here, and we have September, we have October, sorry, we have September, we have August, and we also have July. So I'm going to also mark out September, October, which is the current month, and I'll be taking this off right here. All right, so this is now the quarterly shift. All right, we have 1 2 3. All right, we're going to pull it back. That make it 4. Okay, so that is the quarterly shift, and now I am going down to lower time frame to actually look for the shift that we're talking about. So you can actually see what happened right here on the month of October. So let me change this color to white. We white fit it. All right, yeah. So you can actually see. Sorry, let me change all of them to white so that we can see the weeks. Okay. Now we see October opened, right? And these are the previous quarterly shift. So October opened, and we noticed that what it did was it grabbed liquidity. We have a liquidity purge on this candle right here, and looking at that, we can actually see that this is the weekly time frame, and if the weekly is ranging also, we can apply the weekly algorithm D range right there. So since we hunt this previous month week low, we were looking for a bullish structure to target previous week high, but then it did not hunt that high, and you know, you see this week hunt previous week, we target the low, it didn't go for the low. The next week, like stuff like that, the D range. Now for you to know your quarterly shift, when you notice what happened right here, we have a stop hunt on previous month low, and you see a structural shift maybe on the 4-hour time frame or the daily time frame. You're counting from that month and from that day that the month opened of October, you are to count 20 days backwards. Okay, so now I'm counting the 20 days, which is this is the daily time frame. Okay, so I'm not counting 20 days back, and I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. All right, so the 20 days back, you can actually see that the 20 days back is actually close to where the previous month opening candle. All right, and in my Facebook page, I talk about price going to previous 20 days high. All right, like previous 20 days, the backwards, we count 20 days backwards, and we are targeting, for short term, we'll be targeting the 20 days. All right, now after the 20 days is targeted, the next thing we have to look for is also the 40 days, to count 40 days backwards, and also 60 days backwards. So we are now counting again: 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. All right, so this is the previous 40 days backwards. We counted 40 days backwards, and that is it. But I will choose the highest high on that 40 days backwards. All right, then the next thing we are now looking afterwards is counting backwards 60 days. So we have 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Now I'm marking the highest high in that range of the previous counting backwards of 60 days highs and lows. All right, 60 days backwards. Now these are my targets if I have to go bullish. All right, and I've been commenting about that since October is protected. We'll be targeting the bullish structure on. We'll be looking for a bullish structure on EURUSD. All right, so now let's start our analysis. We have September right here. September gave us a swing low, and we now have a swing high, which is now left with an area of supply right here. Okay, now October opened, it traded lower, and it hunted, it took liquidity from the previous month low. So we hunted previous month low, and we'll be looking for a structural shift to go bullish. Okay, and we will go down to lower time frame to look for that. So we noticed that we have a liquidity grab on previous month low, running down to the 4-hour time frame, applying also the weekly D range. Okay, now we have our October protected right here. We have the low of October printed right here. We have this order block, the area of supply, we have it violated, right? So that is what I am watching out for. And you know, when I wanted to buy EURUSD, it was from this point, and then price didn't go well that much, okay, for that week, right? And it was at this level right here. So traded high or traded, and we start to range, and then we can actually notice that, okay, we always say that if the supply is violated, we look for the candle that was responsible for that violation, and we have this bullish order block right here. Now price quickly retraced into it. It did not give a structural break. This right here is applying the weekly D range. All right, this is not a structure now, it is now a D range. We have a range high, we have a range low. Now if a range low is printed, we are trading on Tuesday, we are avoiding Monday, because Monday tells us if we are having Monday to be the low of the week, or is Monday going to be the high of the week. All right, so now we will be watching out towards Tuesday, and Tuesday gave a directional bias to Friday. All right, and also this is Friday. Now we trade higher again, same thing. Monday gave us the low of the week, and if you're trading weekly D range, on EURUSD, I don't know for other pair, I've only been back testing only EURUSD. I'll just focus on one pair, and that's EURUSD. And in commodity, I'm watching out for gold. So if you're looking for a bullish structure, you're expecting the Monday to be the low of the week, and you're trading Tuesday, Wednesday, and be very careful on Thursday, because Thursday always gets to be the high of the week. So we have Thursday being the high of the week, and then Friday is always a reversal. So we have a reversal on Friday. Now this Friday we were still inside the order block, and inside the order block we hunted this low. That is interesting, right? That is very, very interesting. We did not break structure. All right, we are still in the range. Now Friday, Monday open, I said we are looking for, if you go to my Facebook page, I said Monday will be the low of the week, and I'm looking for bullish structure to target this high. That high is my target, and I said that I will be expecting this high to be broken, and then I'm looking for a bullish structure. Now did it happen or not? If you go to my Facebook page, you can watch the video. Okay, so I explained it right there on the Facebook page. Okay, so okay, so right here I explained it. I said I want to see if Monday would be the low of the week, or how the week they are looking for a bullish structure. So depends, and it happens to be that I don't know why this is misbehaving, but it's fine. So okay, I think I know why. My keyboard. Okay, so this is Friday, and we have Monday traded higher. This is now Tuesday. Okay, and Tuesday we saw this order block, and then price violated, but then what it did was a hunt, still maintaining Monday to be the low of the week. Alright, so this created a hunt, and then we finally trade higher. And where did we go to? The high I talked about that I would take profit, and that is where we went to currently. So and you can actually see that we're actually close to that 20 days high. That is why we're targeting long term for the swing trade. Now in this case right here towards here, you can see that when price was trading lower, we are trending backwards till fair value gaps. Okay, so we have this fair value gap right here balanced. Okay, then we also have it retracing backwards to the order block right here, and the order block responsible to break structure. Okay, so we continue trading lower, and we trade lower right here. We retrace backwards to a fair value gap. Okay, so this now traded lower, and then we came back again to fair. Now the reason why it's doing this is trading one-sided, and it has to deliver the price for the whole of September. Okay, so till September low is created, and then October took that low and will reverse backwards. Now I explained in my mentorship, and I will explain it again and again and again and again about structures. Now, one thing you should know about structure is when we are trading low bearish structure, we are having lower lows and lower highs, right? So every high has a buy stop, which says that there's liquidity on that high, and every low has a sell stop, which says there's liquidity on that low, right? Now, if price has to continue going bearish, it means that the liquidity resting above all of these highs where we're having buy stops is going to be protected, and every liquidity resting on the lows where we're having sell stops is going to be taken out. Now, the purpose on which the market, the algorithm has to behave that way is for it to leave liquidity in the market. It is a liquidity provider, all right? It has to provide liquidity that it will have to come back in future to come and take, okay? So now, if price trade backwards to a fair value gap and so down, or like we are starting from a fair value gap or another block, and then it created a failed low, it could be a sign that this might be protected, or we have a hunt, and then we trade backwards to another fair value gap, and it traded lower, didn't go lower, and we have a change of character right here. Our major interest is this high, because this high is reliable to print this low. But since it is only a change of character, then it will not be looking to go bullish until I actually see a break of market structure. Now, if it is only a change of character that occur, then I'm waiting for price to trade lower and still break structure. So now I am not confirming that yes, I am going bullish. Now let me explain. It means that price wants to go bullish, and the institution is protecting this low, and we're referring to that as the institutional sponsorship. They are now protecting this low, and now the algorithm is trying to deliver to where? Liquidity that is left behind, which is the liquidity resting on these buy stops that is been protecting all this while to go bearish. So if this is violated, right, that means he has taken liquidity. So someone trying to sell from here has been taken out, and also it took liquidity from buy stops, retraced backwards, and this low was still protected. So that means every other demand zone, every other supply zone, even those that is not mitigated previously, they are now liquidity. Price is coming back to those areas to take those liquidity because of what? Because now the sell stops is now protected. All right. So any reaction from an unmitigated demand zone that was left behind is only to balance. All right, to take the orders and trying to do like a hedge, trying to supply, like balance supply and demand, balance imbalance, and then continue to go higher. So that means you are trying to mitigate losses. You are trying to take a little partials. You are trying to take partials and then continue the bullish structure. You understand? So that is what is happening right here. That is why you need to actually understand the algorithm range. All right. Since this one has been violated, that means every other one we're looking at will get violated. So we're not going bullish, and we're drawn to where every buy stops resting on these highs, because these are left out liquidities. All right, we have the basket liquidity pools. So now we're targeting the 20 days high, previous 20 days, and after that I'll be looking towards it to go to 40 days. But for now, I am more focused to see it going to 20 days high. And you actually see that when the price is trading downwards, it's trading one-sided, and trading one-sided, it is a choppy market, which is what? Liquidity, not a clean structure. Okay, so yeah, that is it for the EURUSD breakdown. And like the 60 days that is the highest high right here, and that will be the target. Now, breakdown analysis and update on BTC. So I talked about BTC going bullish, and I explained using also the algorithm range. The number one core content that you need Yeah. So I also talked about imbalances and stuff like that. I talked about BTC balancing this bar side, and I've been lamenting a long time ago with my members and my friends that we have balanced the bar side. Supply is now equivalent and equal to demand, so demand has to deliver the price upwards. Now I talked about it trading backwards again into imbalance, and I was expecting to go bullish. To go bearish to see if it could go below this low. But then this is a range market right here. So since it's going in the range, then we'll be looking for the D range. Now, when I notice that we have a hunt of this high, remember I said that, all right, since we hunted previous 3 months high, I'll be targeting previous 3 months low and this fair value gap right here. And I'll say, all right, if it trades into the fair value gap, I'm now looking for bullish structure. If not, if it fails, then I'll just target this low because there's high probability it will hunt this low and go bullish, or it could go lower. Now in this case, the 3 months traded lower and did not go below this low. Then we now go down. Let's go back to the monthly time frame. All right, it did not go below this low, and I was also long time ago, before I talked about looking for bearish movements down to this low, I made a setup I posted. When was that? February. That I'm looking for is to trade lower to this area, the bullish order block, for me to execute a buy. Okay, and I made the markup right here. I said this is a break market structure right here, and I said this is a mitigation on order block, and I say this right here is a breaker structure. Okay, so if I have to go back to my Facebook page to look for that, it's going to be very difficult, but we will do that for clarity. So we scroll down, and we are looking for it. We are actually looking for it. So chill with me. It's very important that you stay with me. I just want to show you guys something. Okay, so relax. I am educating you, and you need to learn. And yeah, so you can actually see that it belong. It's actually belong. Yeah, I have one right here. So this is right here. And long-term analytical investment, May, that was in the month of May, and I said this is the bullish order block I wanted to buy from. So let's keep scrolling downwards. I think I'll find it. So this is right here. Okay, no, this is not it. So let's keep scrolling downwards. We actually see it. Okay, if it happens that we can see, then we still continue nevertheless. Okay, so yeah, what I know is that I've posted it a long time ago. Okay, so let's forget about it. I've already showed you it is posted on May, so looking for that right now is going to be difficult. So, and also recently I talked about, yeah, this is where I wanted it to go to, but then it happens to be that the price decided to fill up a monthly fair value gap, this right here and this right here, a monthly fair value gap. Alright, so the recent updates I talked about, I posted on YouTube. I said I have noticed that we hunted previous month low, and we went to the daily time frame and we saw the confirmation entry, the shift it did right there. Now I made mention of price trading breaking a range market, and I said when price breaks out of a consolidating market, it's not a breaker structure but a liquidity grab, so you should be very careful. Price will deliver to the opposite side of the liquidity. Now, those of us on the lower time frame thinking this is another block, they try to sell from there and price violates them, then price trade backwards to that as a breaker block. I explained this on YouTube. Then we now see the reaction right there, it traded higher. Now, after trading higher, we now see this and identify that has worked a breaker structure. You actually see the candle trade and close above it right here on the daily time frame. Okay. So now trade downwards, and it gave us liquidity pool. Why did it give us liquidity pool? Because that is literal stops. They need to buy the stop. So I explained that later. I don't want this video to be long. So now trade backwards, and where did you trade into? It traded towards a bullish order block on the daily time frame. Because of what? October low is to stay protected. Right, so this is September. September took out previous month low, which is August, and October. This is October. What? This is still September. Wow. All right. So this is October. October stayed protected. Let me be sure about that. Let me go to monthly time frame. Yeah, that is October. So October refused to go lower, and what did it trade into? It traded into a bullish order block. And when it traded into the bullish order block, we now have that reaction right there. Now we are trading high. And I say, well, we targeting? We're targeting this liquidity right here. We are targeting this high. I said we'll be targeting only previous month high. Okay, and that was this high I was talking about. And then price decided to go to where? Previous 2 months high. Now it's either it haunts this and we see a reaction, but the way it is trading this very fast, I think it will be going for this high, which is previous 12 months high. I posted this on my Facebook, but I'm serious. I didn't divide it. I posted about it going to a 12 months high. Where can I find this? I need to get it. I need to show you guys to see it. Seriously, I actually need you guys to see that analysis long time ago. It is it? Okay, this is why I predicted it to go to that high. Alright, so that means we are close. We are really close. Let's keep going. We're getting higher. And keep going. This is gold. This is GBP odd. This is NAS. What is this? Not interesting. And no, BTC USD. Another why I took a sell. Okay, we are still going to go higher. I remember these ones. So you can remember why I talked about gold going higher. Okay, and we hit it. From February we hit it. So that is a record breaking for predicting price. And let's keep going. We're actually going to see that of BTC. Yeah, so this is it. Remember, this was the OB I was looking at, and I said price will react here. It is just going to be a retail reaction, and that is what I was targeting. But then I made mention of targeting previous 12 months high. So let's just look for it. I'm sure I posted it. Okay, so be patient with me. I want to really show you guys something. What is this? No, not this one. My BlackRock didn't play out well because it's now purish. So due to the news impact. So on daily time frame, yeah, I posted this one on the daily time frame, and still on that place trying to look for reaction right there. It did not get there. So we forgot about it. So this is where I was targeting right here. That is that weekly order block that I was talking about. So it did not react right there. Okay, so let's keep going. We actually see that of 12 months high that I said I'm targeting. Okay, this is DSY, this is gold, Euro, GBP, DXY, BLK, NZD, BLK, GBP, Euro, back, GBP, and SND. That was trading view I used, and okay. So I don't think it's here anymore. I don't know why it's not here. I can't find it. Alright, so that is it, guys. So hope you guys enjoy your day and be safe. And also my course is available on Udemy, so the link will be dropped on the description. So yeah, if you're interested to learn the trading skill I use, you can actually purchase the Udemy. It's very cheap, not expensive, and also mentorship is available. And to get access to that, you have to message me on my Facebook page, and we get in touch with you. And we also have these sessions, one-on-one session, and yeah, so stay safe and be profitable. See you guys later on. Bye.